Hey guys, figured I'll give you a sound clip of my exhaust. So, hold on. I'm gonna do a quarter throttle at 20 miles. Sorry guys, I wish I could hold the throttle down faster. I know, over-exaggerating. I just pushed all the limits there. I don't like going too fast. That was 20. And now let's do 30. Here we go. That was 30. Sounds like at quarter throttle. Giving it more throttle would be an option, but on the interstate. Now I'm gonna drive around a bit, let you guys hear it, and I'll shut up. Hopefully the mic is doing it justice. It just sounds perfect in here. You could hear the long strokes. I mean, you could. The fact that I tampered with it the way I liked it was a plus. And then when I put my long tube headers, it just magnified the compression. That's all that changed. No more, no less drone. It just magnified the compression. It just sounds so much better because that's what I like. I like to hear the compression under throttle, you know, and it sounds good. You guys heard that, right? Like like a thump. I always had it 25 miles an hour. I always have this semi-buck, semi-defuel. It's minor. It changes sound. I mean, you can feel it in the car a little, but it's nothing like the problem I had before that I spoke in my other video, where it would like defuel. So it's ripping everything, you know, no power, so all the bushings are relaxed, and all of a sudden gives it all the power it can. So, all right, I'll do a couple more blocks and then I'll wrap up this video. Shift. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this video, the inside sound.